Hello and welcome to Gayoor Cricket Academy. I am Gayoor Ahmed, senior coach of Kuwait national cricket team. Today I am going to talk about the basics of cricket. Like we see women, children, girls and school boys, school children, they are much interested in cricket. They watch on television and go to the stadium sometimes, watch matches around them. Uh, they are interested in they're interested in cricket, but they don't know how to even start the game. I mean, hold the bat or stance or the back lift, or I mean, they are completely new to the game and they wish to play. But soon they reach the ground, they feel themselves like they cannot play. It's something technique. Yeah, of course, it's a technique. It's a technique game, but mostly it is technique plus the confidence level you have, the confidence which you can show, you can prove yourself as a great player. There are many players, international players, who were not very good in the techniques, but they made their names in the worldwide, playing in any format, T20 or maybe the big cricket like test matches. So start this. I'm going to tell you for the very learners how to hold a bat or the grip of the bat and stance and back lift. What is how to start the game to build their interest. Like so, suppose we don't know how to hold a bat. Some child, maybe they can hold a bat like this in their own, like a stick. They are holding it. So the basic is like you put the bat on the ground like this, and just stand in front of the bat and lift it with your two hands normally. Right hand in front, left hand in the back. So when I pick up my bat, so that is automatically, technically correct grip comes. This is automatic. So you don't have to. You just have to look around what happens. So your thumb is facing the blade here. Your thumb is facing the blade here. The top of the bat is just in front of your V shape on your palm. So you just grip a bat like this. So it looks like this, and your left hand will cover the top of your palm from here. So it'll fill up a gap like this. So this is the basic of the grip when you hold a bat to start playing. Now it comes to the stance. The stance is basically a balance of your body and how you going to face the ball. So suppose this is the crease. I'm showing you the front view. Suppose this is the crease you're standing on. This is the mark, the guard which you have put. So keep your bat in front of your toe, and you open this gap should be around 12 inches to 18 inches, not more than broaden than your shoulders. So try to control it, put it inside, so that you can balance your body to play the ball front and backward. So now a grip of the bat, and this is stance I'm telling you about. Try to put your bat close to your toe. Bat rest on your thigh, left thigh, and now go to the basics of the grip which I told you earlier. Hold the bat like this and put it down. So bat, when you leave your bat, it should rest on your left thigh. Okay. So now we are ready to face a ball, and position yourself. Keep your head straight so that you can watch the ball carefully straight. Now the next step is you have to lift your bat up straight. Basically it is on your left hand dominant and right hand is as a supportive hand. So now grip of bat, stance, that is balance of body, and the back lift. The next is you pretend yourself you're waiting for a ball which is in front of you, close to your foot. You have to take your front foot close to the ball, and the bat will follow, and you just keep your eye on the ball. This is called forward defense, the basics of forward defense. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you the demonstration of the basics which I told you, that is the grip of bat, back lift, stance and forward defense. So we'll go stepwise slowly to watch you guys who are learners, like how to hold the bat and initiate cricket. So please tell us how you hold up a bat, please. Grip of the bat. So the bat was picked up as it was lying on the ground, naturally, normally with two hands. So when you lift a bat with two hands, automatically the technical correct grip comes out. So she has already done the grip. You can see her hand from here. Both hands are on correct position, thumb facing the blade of the bat. And now the next is balance of body, that is stance. So the stance is, as I told, the difference between two foot should be 12 to 18 inch as per the width of your shoulders, so that it should not go out of your shoulder or maybe too much compact so that you lose balance. So you have to make your balance to face any challenge of the ball. So now the next is we have shown you already the grip of bat and the stance of a batsman. Now the next is back lift. So back lift is he's holding the bat on her left hand, basically holding it firmly, and the right hand is as a support. As you can see here, there is a gap, so there is no power used here. So it is when you lift your bat with the left hand, automatically the power from the right hand goes and it is taken as a support only. So you can see the bat is behind the stumps here, straight. It's not wide here or maybe here. So it is straight and the face is straight to the bowler, ready to play the ball. Now the next step is forward defense. Suppose the ball pitches here. Now he will take the foot close to the ball and balance and stop the ball. Keep her eye on the ball. See the position of her foot? It's like this, straight, close to the foot here. Front toe is straight, back toe is straight, so that the shoulder are become straight in one line and head down. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And hit the bell icon to get the notification once I upload another video. And if you have any comment, query or suggestions, write it below in the comment box. Thanks for watching.